Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Ian Lowen,
I'm Anastasia Ginters.
and we're doing an experiment called elephant toothpaste today. So the way this experiment works is by combining hydrogen peroxide, common wound cleaner, potassium iodide, less common but easily pickable at most pharmacies, but you can also use baker's yeast instead of the potassium iodide. There's a chemical in both called catalase that causes our reaction to go much faster than it would normally, which allows for the results you'll soon see. The third and final ingredient is dish soap, which allows for the reaction to form foam instead of just bubbling. And we have some food coloring, just for the fun of it, to change the color. So let's get started. Do you want to add the food coloring? So for the dish soap, we were unable to find exact measurements, but just put a decent amount in.
As long as they're a decent amount, and it'll create the foam and it'll look cool. So
It's okay, I'll fix that later.
now I'll add some color.
5 to 10 drops is usually the amount you'd need to have the mixed reaction.
Okay.
Also, make sure you wear gloves and preferably eye protection just when you're working with chemicals in general.
Yep.
These aren't necessarily very dangerous, but it's just a safety precaution when working with anything, really.
Yep. And this reaction also does produce a gas, hydrogen gas. So it's a good idea to do it outside because you don't want to be breathing a ton of that in. But like Ian said, nothing here
It's not
really
necessarily dangerous, but it's also the mess is much easier to clean up outside than it is inside because it's perfectly safe for grass and such, but it does create quite a bit of it,
Now
which means you want to hose it after.
Yep. Now it's important to add the hydrogen peroxide before the potassium iodide because the hydrogen peroxide is what creates the reaction, and like Ian said, this quickens it, so we want to add that last.
I'll get this ready.
So we're going to add half a cup. One more 1/4 cup. And so after we add the hydrogen peroxide, we're just going to mix it a bit. Do you want to mix it before we add it? Perfect. And here we go. Ian's just going to mix it a bit, and we should see a bit of an eruption soon enough.
Again.
No, we're just going to wait for the
We'll wait
thing to
and
work.
hope it works.
Yep. Okay.
Slower than expected, but nothing goes perfectly in science.
Yep. Just a bit of liquid at the bottom, but sometimes the chemicals just need a bit of a kickstart to get going. That's why we do stir it, so the molecules can all mix together. But soon enough, there will be an eruption.
We could add some more iodine.
Sure.
That's
If
just,
it's going sulfur, you can add a little bit more of the catalyst component. And I'll mix it up a bit.
And although slower than you would hope, it does create
A little bit of a mini foam volcano.
ooh, maybe we put in too much dish soap
Yeah.
because it's coming out very bubbly instead of foamy. So maybe
It's okay.
it's a pretty cool reaction though, and very simple to do. If you have more luck, maybe post a video of your own and show us
Yep.
how it's done, because I mean, we got it working, but
Yep, we got it working. And yeah,
it's very easy to clean up. So after we're done, we'll just hose it off and then it'll be good to
yep, it's all environmentally safe.
go. Anyways,
All right.
I guess we can leave this running for a minute.
Yep.
Does
That's
look
really
pretty
cool.
cool.
Actually, it does look really cool. It's like all melting over.
One concern, not exactly a concern, but when cleaning it up, you should most definitely wear gloves if you're using potassium iodide, as potassium iodide can stain your skin yellow It's not dangerous in any way, but it's very hard to clean off.
Yep.
So it's just a general thing. Anyways,
Yep.
thanks
Thank you
for
all. Thank you all for watching. Yep, and stay safe.